Good Sunday. Today we're making Guardian service beef with broccoli bake. Let us begin. 1. Boil or steam broccoli al dente. Drain. Cool under cold water. Pat dry using paper towels. Set aside. 2. In sauté pan, heat 1 tablespoon of butter until all water is evaporated. Add garlic, onion, and sauté until onions are translucent.
Hey!
Set aside. 3. Cook ground beef until browned. Drain.
Hey!
Set aside. 4. Drink an entire bottle of red wine with the highest alcohol content. 5. Combine beef, broccoli, and onions in a large bowl. Mix well with your bare hands because you have a food fetish and it feels oh so good. Six. Whisk the evaporated milk and egg yolks together in a bowl. Seven. In a non-stick saucepan, heat remaining butter until water is evaporated. Add evaporated milk/yolk mixture, cheese, and stir until melty smooth. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 7. Pour over beef and broccoli and mix well.
Oh, it's heavy. Oh.
8. Turn into greased Guardian service 9.5-inch casserole.
Hey!
Top with mozzarella, Monterey Jack, and Parmesan cheese.
No, I did it again! I forgot to season it! What's wrong with me? Motherfucker! Damn it! Okay.
Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or until top is golden brown.
Man!
I learned this recipe from my Italian grandmother living in Spain during the war.
I hear ya. Once again, I forgot to season. So it needs salt and it needs pepper. Let's try it though, because that's what you have to do. Try it without the salt first. That's delicious. It almost can live without the salt, but it needs salt. I tried to get as much moisture out of it as possible. We still have moisture. It's just the way it is. Question is, ow, 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 ow! Ow! How does it taste? That's delicious. I don't know why I've been craving beef and broccoli lately. I really have. Oh. This top is so cheesy. I got a lot of servings in there.
The whole family will love this beefy, cheesy broccoli bake. I know you will too. Thank you for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.